What is up, guys? Rick with Raleigh Sport Direct here. This is the Rexpeed carbon fiber duckbill spoiler. Rexpeed has a funny name, but this thing looks anything but that. This is killer. Now, if you want something a little bit more subtle, they do make color factory paint match pieces as well. But we've installed this carbon fiber piece and it is gorgeous. Installation is super simple on these. We're gonna walk you through step by step. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing we want to do is get the factory spoiler off this car. Get the trunk open. There's going to be an upper trunk carpet liner. There's going to be 8 small clips holding that in. You can use a flathead screwdriver to remove those. Then you're going to have access to these small bolts holding the spoiler on. It's going to be 2 bolts. Use an 8mm socket to remove those. Now we remove the spoiler. This does take quite a bit of force because it's still held in by 3 clips. Now, you feel like you're gonna break something, but I promise you, you won't. Be careful, but use a lot of force when taking this thing off. These 3 little clips right here are why this is such a pain to take off. But with this off, we can now prep the trunk, prep the actual duckbill spoiler itself. We just want to remove any waxes or any cleaning solution or anything that would prohibit good adhesion with the supplied 3M tape. Now we're going to use the supplied 3M tape and we're just going to run a line all the way along the top and all the way along the bottom. Now we've got all of our 3M tape applied. We just want to do a double check, make sure everything is going to fit exactly the way we want it. Double check all your gaps on each side. Everything looks perfect. So now we can just take off the tape backing and then put this thing on. And once you're happy with where it's at, then you can just go ahead and apply pressure all around. Once you get the spoiler installed and you're happy with it, now we can work on getting our trunk hook back together. We're just gonna put the carpet back up in place, reuse those same 8 clips, but we're not reusing those 8mm bolts that we took off before. Well, guys, we've just installed our Rexpeed carbon fiber duckbill trunk spoiler, and honestly, I'm pretty freaking happy with it. It looks killer, the fitment is really good, and overall, it's just a killer product all around. If you're looking to go for an aggressive look, you want something different than the factory spoiler or maybe the STI spoiler, and you don't want to spend a bunch of money, and especially for this beautiful carbon fiber piece, I would highly recommend it. Check it out. It's all the time we've got for you today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.